An update to Zoom has been released. This is version 5.4.2. We encourage you to update to Zoom 5.4.2 as soon as possible to fix any bugs and use its enhanced features. If you already have the Zoom desktop client installed, you can check for updates. Sign in to the Zoom desktop client. Click your profile picture, then click Check for Updates. Let the installer do its work. Then you should have the most up-to-date version of Zoom. Some features to spotlight in the update include using PowerPoint slides as your background. To do this, click Screen Share in a meeting, then Advanced, then use slides as a background. You may be prompted to download a one-time plugin. Then when you go to use this feature, it'll ask you what presentation you want to open for your background. Look for arrows at the bottom of the screen to change your slide. And click Stop Share at the top of the screen to end your screen share. Another feature, users can self-select breakout rooms. Go to Breakout Rooms, and along with the Assign Manually and Assign Automatically, you'll find a choice of Let Participant Choose Room. Then press Create. Another thing that's been added is live transcription to our Zoom accounts. Here's what it looks like in a meeting. You'll want to select Enable Auto Transcription. If for some reason you don't see your option, go to your settings and turn it on. Here are the steps. Navigate to zoom.us. Log in using your work email and Zoom password. And then navigate to Settings. Scroll down to In-Meeting Settings and look for this setting. It is listed under Closed Captioning. If the checkbox isn't checked, go ahead and enable it. Have fun with Zoom and all its new capabilities.